Want to effortlessly amplify awesome content and connect with your followers on a whole new level? Let's dive into the super simple process of reposting someone else's Instagram story. But before we start, make sure the account you want to repost from has tagged you in their story. You can't repost if you haven't been tagged. Alright, the first thing you'll notice is a direct message from Instagram. This shows that someone has tagged you in their story. Tap on that message to open it. Inside, you'll see a preview of the story where you were tagged. Right underneath that preview, you'll find a blue button that says, Add to your story. This is your golden ticket. Tap it. Instagram will now open the story in the story editor. This is where you can get creative. You can move the story around, resize it, add stickers, text, GIFs, anything your heart desires. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap the Your Story button at the bottom left of the screen. And that's it. The story is now live on your own Instagram story for all your followers to see. Super easy, right? Now go forth, find those engaging stories, and start sharing the love. Don't forget to use hashtag Instagram stories and hashtag social media sharing in your own posts. Happy sharing.